Page 16, the rain. We're still using our new note, our D, for the treble clef. Other than that, there's nothing new here. We're just reviewing everything we've got. So let's go through our routine, or my routine, for learning a new piece of music, because you can use this routine no matter how complicated the music gets. It works every time. So just get into a habit of a routine in learning a new piece of music. That way you don't always have to have a teacher around when you want to learn a new piece of music. You follow the routine and it takes you there. So look it over. I see it's 4 measures long. We have treble and bass clef. Remember, always check the clef signs because they won't always be treble and bass clef. We have 4/4 time signature, so we know a quarter note gets a count. And there's the same as 4 quarter notes in every measure. Here, we just got quarter notes and whole notes. All right. We're using our D's and C's and so forth. So the right hand's got 4 D's and second finger. If I do put second finger here, that puts the hand here. So we're really in the same position. So it's those, and that's all the right hand's doing. Well, the left hand has thumb and middle C here, so it's in this position, and it's just playing that note. All right, so you try them together, you got these 4 notes in here, and then again, here. And that's what the notes are. Then I go back and think about the rhythm. The quarter note gets a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. See, I get the rhythm worked out. Get rid of the hesitations, and you want to get to where you can play this piece, and all the ones we've done so far actually, without looking at the keyboard. Just keep your eyes on the music. You should not have to look at the keyboard to play the note. You want to feel your way around. It's important to develop that. It takes time, so we just keep working at it. Let's play this together slowly and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms and so forth. So I'll give us 4 counts because there's 4 beats in a measure. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. Now there's a teacher's part for this, so we can do a duet. So I'm going to do that, and you play what we just played. We'll take it at the same speed. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.